All right. Well, hello everyone, and thank you for joining our Zoom Live today on all things Delos therapy. My name is Brianna, and I am with Victor Kilo. I will be your moderator today. For those of you who don't know, Victor Kilo provides an array of services such as brand management, web design and development, business transformation, social media, and lab event support. So throughout this live, there will be a question and answer button at the bottom of your screen. So if you have any questions, please ask them and we will address them at the end. If you're tuning in from Facebook, please feel free to use the comment box on the right-hand side of your screen. So I am super happy to announce our speakers today, Mimi Bosiga and Eric Owens. Eric and Mimi are both co-founders of Delos Therapy. Eric focuses on the therapy and technique side of Delos Therapy, and Mimi focuses on the business side. Mimi is an entrepreneur, business advisor, and former professional table tennis athlete. Mimi is a co-founder of 3 businesses, as well as a managing partner and business advisor for 2 other businesses. Additionally, in her free time, Mimi offers personalized one-on-one business advice, sales training, career guidance, and networking best practices. Eric is a decorated former professional table tennis player who has competed in 6 world championships and 3 Pan-American Games, bringing home a gold and a bronze medal. And in 2015, Eric was inducted into the U.S. Table Tennis Hall of Fame. Fun fact that maybe some of you didn't know. So without further ado, let me hand it over to Eric and ask, how did Delos Therapy originate and how did you meet Mimi?
Well, thank you, Bree. Thank you for that wonderful introduction. The history of Delos Therapy goes back many, many years. It originally started with my father, who was an engineer, suffered for years with chronic pain, was an amateur level table tennis player, had a lot of athletic injuries, shoulder injuries, and sought the best conventional treatment. Just had a real hard time getting any kind of relief. And I think having that engineering mind and a science background, he was really frustrated by the best that conventional medicine had to offer in the 70s and early 80s wasn't enough to really address or give him the answers that he wanted. So really out of desperation for relief, he turned his body into an engineering project and just noticed some very interesting observations about muscle tissue and pliability, and started experimenting and really turning himself into an engineering project. Was able to reconstruct and remodel a lot of the muscle tissue and realize that muscles and fascia were at the root of what was happening in his body. And fixed his own problems through a series of experiments, ended up quitting his engineering job in the mid 1980s, opened up a pain clinic and had a tremendous amount of success. And within a few years, he had 12 therapists working at Delos. He was working on Evander Holyfield, Carl Lewis, the Olympic track team, 30 of the Houston Oilers, the Rockets. Growing up, I was surrounded by pro athletes who were coming in for treatment. I remember clearly that the team physicians were getting fairly upset that their professional athletes were going to an engineer with no medical training for their injuries. And, they just couldn't understand that somebody could think outside of the box. But he really did develop something interesting. It inspired me to go to graduate school, get a little bit more scientific education, to put together, the mainstream science with the engineering principles that he set forth, and really try to create a therapy to move the field along. There just hasn't been a lot of innovation in muscles and fascia and myofascial science in many, many years. So that's really what we're doing. So growing up, I saw the success that my dad had, but I also saw the difficulties that he had managing the business, right? He was seeing 20, 30, 35 patients a day. It was very, very busy. And I just don't think he had, his passion wasn't business. His passion was the science. His passion was helping people, getting people out of pain. But you need someone that's equally passionate and equally knowledgeable with running a business. You can't do it all. You have to have teams that do marketing, teams that do management, branding, culture. All of these things come into to make a successful business. And so I watched the difficulties that he had. So I always knew I would go into the therapy, but I also knew that I didn't know anything about business, and it wasn't necessarily my driving passion. And so when I met Mimi, when I was a professional table tennis player, we were kids, teenagers, and we were playing in tournaments together, and she was helping her dad organize training camps. Her dad was my coach at that time. And, she was pretty bossy. And, you know, as a 12-year-old, nothing's really changed. But anyways, that's another story. But it just became clear, it's like, that's the kind of person that you need running your business, right? You need somebody that has that personality, and that just wasn't me. And so as a complete joke, when we were teenagers, just like literally just having fun, we used to say that when I would retire, we would both retire from table tennis, that we would go into business together, and I would do the therapy and I would do the science side, and she would run the business and operations. And 25 years later, that's exactly what happened. So pretty interesting story, actually.
Amazing. So you had touched on the benefits of the myofascial therapy. Who does Delos therapy benefit?
I would say anybody that is starting to feel like they're getting old, right? So this is something that I hear all of the time. I'm just getting old. They just accept it as an aging process, and there's really nothing that they can do, not realizing muscle tissue does age. It does get old. It does get tight over time, but all of that is preventable. All of that is reversible. So if you're feeling old and stiff and have limitations, functional limitations, we can absolutely help you. But we also have young kids that they don't necessarily say that they feel old, but maybe they're a track athlete in high school or they're a soccer athlete, and that repetitive use, repetitive motion, it's wear and tear on the body. And so when you factor in some genetic elements, you factor in some diet, some aging, wear and tear, you put all of those variables together, what happens over time is muscle tissue becomes dysfunctional. So anybody that is feeling stiff, anybody that's having any kind of joint pain, limited range of motion, weakness, plateauing in the gym, you're working out like crazy and you're just not getting the results that you want. Of course, there's many variables, but one common component that's just getting overlooked is the role that muscles play in all of these different things. So anybody that's having any kind of physical limitations and they feel like it's muscle, even if they think it's in their joint, the muscle tissue and the fascia dives deep into that joint, and we can definitely help you. And if we feel like it's something that we can't treat, we'll send you to the appropriate person. But a lot of myofascial science is coming out showing that muscles and fascia causes a host of abnormalities in the body, and we can really help with that.
Wonderful. So I love that it seems that pretty much anyone and everyone can benefit from Delos therapy. Where are you guys currently located, Eric?
We are, right now we're in Chicago. We want to be everywhere. We want to be a national, if not a global brand. We're getting there step by step. Right now we have 5 locations in Chicago, and Mimi's got some exciting news that I'll let her share a little bit later in this webinar. But right now we're really in the downtown area. We're in River North, Lincoln Park. We have a couple of locations in River North and then 2 locations out west in Hinsdale and Oak Brook.
Wonderful. All right, so kind of switching to the business and operations side, Mimi, what was the most satisfying thing to come out of, helping create this business, Delos Therapy?
Well, by the way, thanks for doing this. I'm really excited about it. As Eric mentioned, my passion has always been on the business side. I love creating something new, having it go from not being in existence to now impacting so many people. So for me, it has always been seeing our work translate into growth and expansion, not just physically in terms of how many locations we have, but also in terms of how many people we get to impact on a daily basis. So I love seeing the work that we do continuously grow rather than reaching a plateau or for us to even be satisfied where we are right now. As Eric mentioned, we have a therapy that is so effective and can benefit so many people, and we've never been satisfied with just creating a business that's successful, but that isn't on track to grow on a national level. And I think our backgrounds in sports and competing at the highest levels has sort of helped us with this mentality of never being satisfied until we actually can reach a huge audience and have them live the kind of lives that are fulfilling and not limiting based on their physical issues or ailments.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, for everyone who's watching that's an aspiring entrepreneur, what would you say has been one of the most challenging parts of creating a business?
Well, I'm sure everybody would probably say that, when you start a business, things always take 3 times as long as cost 3 times as much. So I would say that's accurate. I think people need to plan really well. And what I've seen, especially in the industry that we're in, health and wellness and fitness, what I've seen is, and actually Eric's father ran into this. He was so passionate about what he had to offer, but he didn't necessarily have all the resources and tools to really run with his passion and idea, but then also have an efficient operation and strategy and really thinking about the business aspects. So often what I see entrepreneurs do is they, passion sometimes clouds judgment, and they're really excited about what they're offering, but really stepping back and having a concrete plan in place and understanding what all the costs are, and not overestimating what they're going to sell and the revenue they're going to bring. I think I learned that a little bit, but I'm seeing that in general with some of the other friends that I have who are in the same position as me.
Great. Thank you so much for that. So Mimi, what does Delos Therapy have in the pipeline for the rest of the year?
Very exciting. So what we've recently implemented is an offering called Delos Delivered, which is essentially a way to benefit from Delos Therapy in your home. And we did that for a couple of reasons. First, obviously, the current situation with COVID certainly had some of our clients be a little bit more concerned about going outside of their homes. But to be honest with you, we had a demand for this even before COVID. People were asking about it, just a lot of busy professionals who were either traveling or just really wanted to get therapy but couldn't make it to our location. So it just made sense to start offering that. We're also really excited about expanding our physical locations. So starting next week, we're going to start seeing clients inside the Cryo Bar in the West Loop. The Cryo Bar has been a great partner and friend, and from a business perspective, it just made sense. The two services are so complementary, and we're looking to really grow together in the West Loop. So that's coming very, very soon. And then before the end of the year, hopefully in November, we are going to be opening up our own location in Winnetka to help people in the North Shore who have been coming on a regular basis to Lincoln Park, but as the number increases, we're getting more and more requests to be there. So that's very exciting. Finally, we have the Delos Institute, which is coming up, and I'll let Eric talk a little bit more about that, but this is a whole new way to spread knowledge, and we finally feel ready to offer this on a bigger scale in terms of educating the world about myofascial health.
Definitely. So Eric, could you kind of expand a little bit on what Delos Institute is and kind of who should be taking these specific myofascial classes, what that content looks like?
Yeah, sure. I'd love to. Having gone through conventional training, I got a undergraduate degree in biochemistry. I got a master's degree in biomedical science, went to medical school, and there just hasn't been a lot of innovation in muscles and fascia, at least in the US. There's been a whole lot more research happening in Europe, and unfortunately, it just hasn't really made its way down to physical medicine in the US, physical therapy in the US. And so I'm fully aware, and anyone that's in the field is fully aware of the explosion of research that's actually happening. A lot of PhDs and orthopedic surgeons and many people in Europe, especially Italy and Germany, they finally have imaging that's showing the tightness patterns inside muscles. So there's a lot of really exciting things happening. But we're friends and partners with many experts in the field. We partner with physical therapists and chiropractors and yoga instructors, Pilates instructors. And I really haven't met too many that are familiar with the research. And I just feel like that's really doing a lot of disservice to their brand. They could be doing so. They could be educating. They could have more treatment plans. They could adjust their stretching regimens, their workout regimens, if they had access to this. And right now, there really isn't any company that's taking over the education market. There's a few small players in the industry, but you really have to dig around to find the research. And it's something that I've been passionate about, and I have been spending years and years going through everything. and have taught the therapists that work for Delos all of these ideas and all of these theories and combed through all of the webinars and all of the literature, then we've been sort of protecting it because we want this idea that the Delos therapists are the most knowledgeable in the world, they're the best therapists in the world. And I would agree with that. We want to protect that information. But I would say I've had a little bit of a change in heart, a change in position recently where I want to share this information. I think that it's viable. I think spending years going through the literature, collecting it and going through it and filtering it and organizing it, it's not something that a lot of people would do, and it takes a lot of time. So I do think the information is valuable. So anybody that's in healthcare, whether you're a chiropractor, physical therapist, physician, occupational therapist, yoga instructor, athletic trainer, if you have an interest with how do muscles work, how does fascia work, what are the changes that happen as we age, then we will have a class that's specifically tailored to you so that you can not only learn the information, but that you can deliver it to all of the people that come to you as a healthcare provider. And I just think it'll make the entire industry stronger, and it'd be a pleasure to share this information with people.
Wonderful. Great. And then Mimi, what are your business offerings for the Delos Institute?
Sure. So I, in speaking with Eric and just seeing the candidates who've applied to be therapists at Delos Therapy, we've seen hundreds of them, if not thousands. What I've realized, and then also in addition, kind of being heavily involved in health and fitness in Chicago, what we've realized is that there's such a limited scope of education that happens for specifically business, strategy, operations, marketing, culture, all of those aspects. They are just not being taught in some of these schools designed for practitioners. And the amount that is being taught is so limited that I just feel like there is a lot of knowledge that we can contribute from experience, from our academic backgrounds, from all the reading and research that we've done recently to help not just personal trainers, yoga instructors, physical therapists who are potentially interested in growing their business as individuals, but also studio owners, business owners in the healthcare field who, again, like we mentioned before, aren't necessarily well equipped to do it, don't necessarily have an interest in it, but they realize that it's important to have those skills, and that's what we'll be providing in the Institute.
Wonderful. That all sounds very great. Where should people go if they would like to learn more about Delos Institute?
Well, we are putting together a landing page. We're going through the content. I'm busy writing all of the courses, but I would say in the next couple of weeks, we'll be posting some things on social media. We'll have an adjunct page associated with delostherapy.com that will have all of the course listings, dates, course descriptions, everything like that to get people excited. Because I do think that the decades of experience that we have can really, really help struggling therapists in the field that don't know where to go. And if they start to go into the field and they look at it, you're looking at years and years as climbing a mountain. We've done all of that work for you, and we're going to hand deliver it to you, whether it's business strategy or it's strategy on how to treat a patient. So we will be delivering all of that information in the next couple of weeks. It's a very, very exciting project.
And I would just like that in the meantime, if people are just super eager to start learning more, they can always reach out to us, Mimi at delostherapy.com and Eric at delostherapy.com.
Beautiful. That is super exciting, and I know I can't wait. It's going to be very fun. All right, so at this point, we do have some questions that I will run through. Okay, so what is the best way to book an appointment for Delos Therapy?
For clients who haven't seen us before, the best way is to either give us a call or email us and request an evaluation, which includes, just an analysis of what's happening and also a sample treatment. info@delostherapy.com is the fastest way to do that.
Wonderful. And then will you be expanding to other states?
Absolutely.
Eventually, yeah. other states, other countries. We want to be everywhere. So it's one step at a time, but yes, we're working on it.
And we also have therapists who have been with us for a long time, who've just seen the kind of impact that we have and who are also eager to potentially live in other areas. So the process of expanding to other states has already begun in terms of considering where and when and how.
Amazing.
And then another interesting thing about the Institute, rather than just the courses that we'll be offering, we're also thinking about doing Delos certifications in the technique, which will really expand our reach, so that if we can't open a clinic in California or Florida or something like that, at least we could train some therapists. Potentially they could fly in, we could train them, and then we would have Delos therapists positioned around the country. So we're working on that as well.
And also, just really quickly, the Institute does have plans to have virtual instruction, so it can reach an audience that's not local to gain this information.
Great, beautiful. Okay, and then we have one other question here. Do you have any specials for new clients?
So new clients actually benefit from a fantastic introductory offer for evaluations. Essentially, it's $30 to spend time with us, get a treatment, understand what's happening, and then we also obviously have questions for the individual to make sure that we can address it. We also contribute that $30 payment to any treatment plans that are purchased at that time, and our treatment plans are typically 12 sessions. So it ends up being a complimentary evaluation and treatment once you become a client.
Beautiful. That all sounds super great. Let me just check to see if we have any other questions. Seems like we do not. That is wonderful. Thank you, Eric, and thank you, Mimi, for all the information regarding Delos Therapy and Delos Institute. I'm sure everyone's going to be super excited about the expansion. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to do this with us.
Thank you,
Thank you for having us.
All right. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.